Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tumpa and I'm on a vacation, and this is not my house. I'm in a hotel room, so I have this nice daylight coming in and I thought that let's shoot a video. So today's makeup tutorial is about this eye makeup look, and as you can see it has hues of orange and blue. The products I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and let's get started. makeup I did. Not very simple, I would say. It took me some time because the palette is very pigmented, but it is powdery. It's a very cheap palette, but it has a very nice range of, you know, bright colors. This is something which I wanted to do for a very long time. I really like this intense blue and orange combination. I tried this before, but it never came out so well. Today it did, and also I hope the lighting is better. I am a night person. I never record videos in the daytime,
but today for a change I did, and I hope you guys like this video.
So I'll leave you guys with some extra shots. Do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.